2024 Best First Motorcycle for Beginners Triumph Bonneville. In the vast and storied world of motorcycles, the 2024 Triumph Bonneville emerges as an exceptional choice for beginners, seamlessly blending timeless design, classic elegance, and modern performance. Recognized as one of the best first motorcycles for those venturing into the world of riding, the Bonneville exemplifies Triumph's commitment to crafting machines that offer an ideal fusion of beginner-friendly attributes and the unique joy of classic motorcycling. In 2024, the Bonneville continues to capture the imagination of entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of confidence building, retro charm, and the pleasure of mastering the art of motorcycling on two wheels. 1. Iconic modern classic design. The Triumph Bonneville boasts an iconic modern classic design that pays homage to its legendary heritage. With its retro-inspired silhouette, sculpted lines, and classic round headlamp, the Bonneville exudes a timeless elegance that resonates with riders seeking a machine that seamlessly combines vintage aesthetics with contemporary functionality. Triumph's meticulous attention to design ensures that the Bonneville not only provides a soul-stirring riding experience but also stands as a symbol of motorcycle heritage on the open road. 2. Torque-heavy parallel twin engine. At the heart of the Bonneville lies a torque-heavy parallel twin engine, delivering a perfect balance of accessible power and character-rich performance. Triumph's engine design emphasizes a strong torque curve, making it an excellent choice for beginners looking to build confidence while experiencing the unique thrill of classic motorcycling. The Bonneville's engine provides ample low-end torque for relaxed city cruising, spirited rides on country roads, and the distinct pleasure of a classic motorcycling experience. 3. Comfortable upright riding position. Crafted for comfortable cruising, the Triumph Bonneville features a rider-friendly ergonomic setup. The bike offers an upright and relaxed riding position, mid-mounted foot controls, and wide handlebars, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Triumph's commitment to rider comfort makes the Bonneville not only a high-performance machine but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting and leisurely rides through scenic landscapes. 4. Nimble handling and classic suspension. Designed for nimble handling, the Bonneville features a lightweight chassis and classic suspension that contribute to its responsive and agile characteristics. The bike's balanced geometry makes it easy for beginners to navigate city streets, cruise along winding roads, and appreciate the inherent joy of classic motorcycling. The Bonneville's nimble handling enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and savor the experience of a classic ride. 5. Integration of modern features. The 2024 Bonneville seamlessly integrates modern features to enhance the overall riding experience. Advanced ABS, traction control, and optional rider aids add contemporary functionality without compromising the Bonneville's classic character. Triumph ensures that the Bonneville remains technologically relevant, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of timeless styling with modern conveniences. Conclusion. The 2024 Triumph Bonneville stands as a global icon of entry-level classic excellence, securing its position as one of the best first motorcycles for beginners. Its iconic modern classic design, torque-heavy parallel twin engine, comfortable upright riding position, nimble handling, and integration of modern features make it an unrivaled choice for riders venturing into the world of motorcycling. Whether mastering the basics, cruising through city streets, or enjoying leisurely rides on scenic routes, the Bonneville encapsulates the spirit of Triumph's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of entry-level classic riding excellence. As a symbol of confidence building, retro charm, and the joy of mastering the art of classic motorcycling, the 2024 Triumph Bonneville rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of first motorcycles for beginners.